Yo, what's goody, bro?
Good, bro?
Bro, how you liking this?
I love it. It's like, I got like a little discount too, cause like the only problem there's just like a small like crack like in the front.
Oh, okay.
So I got like a little bit off. But, yeah,
bro, nah, this is sick.
I love this shit.
Congrats, bro. Sheesh.
Real shit. What rims were you talking about?
What are you talking about?
You said I brought up Boston wheels and you put me onto something else. It starts with
Rohana.
Rohana, yeah.
Yeah, those are the wheels I have on my Beamer right now.
Oh, man.
Yeah, they're the RC10s. I think they look really nice on this FRS, bro.
That's what's up.
And you got the white, all white.
Yeah.
What's good, bro? Congrats on the new car. Yeah, you've been talking about this for a minute.
And, you know, hard work.
Yeah.
All the consistency in the world can get you a long
Dedication.
way.
Get them pink slips. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But nah, bro, for real, this is super clean, and we just went on a drive right now, washed it, and this thing actually pulls. This is what my second FRS I've been in, and this thing is super clean. I really like the white, bro. Good choice on the white. Yeah. And it does have some aftermarket wheels, it looks like. We don't know if it has an aftermarket exhaust. It kind of does have like a nice tone to it, so overall this is such a clean car. And yeah, bro, I can't wait to see what you do to this, because you do got big plans for this, right?
Of course,
of
bro,
course.
This is phase like 0.
Yeah.
Maybe next,
You
like,
just swooped this like what, 2 days ago?
2 days ago.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
But yeah, got some big plans, and we'll talk about that in just a little bit. Maybe just some ideas of what he has planning on. And yeah, guys, we're gonna have dry this off real quick. I'm gonna help him because we just washed at the little car wash, get it looking all right. Yeah, bro, let's get it.
Let's get it. Stay tuned.
Yep, stay tuned. We hopping up in the new FRS. Yo, what year is this, Nick?
It's 2015.
Oh, okay.
I wanted to get 2015, but they didn't have that dealership.
Yeah. Was this dealership local?
It was like someone in Tempe, like, you know the In-N-Out that's right by In-N-Out?
The In-N-Out right next to In-N-Out?
The In-N-Out that's next to that's right by ASU.
ASU? Yeah. I know exactly what you're
That's
talking
right by
about.
ASU.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Damn, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up. Alright, let's get a better look at your car, bro. We just pulled up to the little local parking garage just to get a little better look. This is my first time seeing it. Swooped it 2 days ago. Yes, sir. Looking all clean. Oh yeah, bro. You need to get some coils for it. A little slam. Yeah, bro. I actually like this a lot. Yo, what's that noise, bro? What was it, car? I was tripping.
I love a clean car, man.
Oh yeah, without a doubt, bro. So
Like I was driving. Go ahead.
yeah. So let's hear about the plans, bro. Let's hear about the plans you got for your new whip.
I mean, shit, obviously, spoiler, gotta give it that.
Yeah,
spoiler,
definitely.
You know what I'm saying?
And yo, the carbon trunks too with the little duckbill. I don't know if you've seen those. Those are really nice too. It has that little duckbill. They're all carbon.
Carbon? Okay.
Yeah, they're not too expensive too, because a lot of people have them. And
Yeah. And we got the exhaust here. You know, I like how it sounds already, but still.
yeah, no, I definitely think you have something already, because when you floor it, bro, I definitely hear the exhaust from inside the car. So I think you already have something, but yeah.
For sure. And then, shit, we gonna move over here. You know, I'm obviously gonna get some clothes for the wheels and
Some
stuff
coils
like
and stuff.
You know what I'm saying? And then you put me on to
Rohanas.
So I'm gonna check those out.
Yeah, I got the RC10s on the beams.
You know what I'm saying? Get some LEDs right here. You know what
Yeah,
I'm
no,
saying?
these gotta go.
These gotta go, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Big
like,
time.
You know what I'm saying? But
Super
that's how it
fucking-
is at the dealership. You feel me?
Yeah, yeah.
And damn, do I want to do something to this front? I like how it looks.
Yeah, no, this isn't a bad front bumper, and you just need to get a little splitter or something, get some aero going.
Yeah. And yeah, man. My taste might change as it goes, but this is what we're on right now.
Yep. And big congrats to my boy Nick. We've been homies for like 8-10 years, hella long time, and this is super awesome. He's getting back in the car game. He did have a G35 back in the day when I had my first G35, and that was super lit. And now you just copped the 2013 FRS, and man, this is such a good platform just to do so much mods and stuff. And you got rear wheel drive, so you can do all the donuts and burnouts you want, bro. That's when you have some fun. Yup. Do some skirts. But yeah, guys, yo, congrats Nick in the comments below, for real, for real. This came a far way. Yeah, I want to get a little top view from the little. Oh yeah, sick, bro. You happy? Oh, I bet, bro.
I like it when it's clean. Like, I'm happier now that it's clean.
Yeah. Is this the first wash since you bought it?
Yeah.
Oh, that was the first wash.
This is the first wash. I was like, I have to get a wash.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah. It's because, like, you know, at the dealership, I was out at the lot all the time. It was outside, you feel me? And, like, there was a whole bunch of storms that came through last week.
Yeah.
So it was kind of dusty, but, you know what I'm saying? I had to clean it.
Damn. Yo, guys, congrats to my boy Nick. He's going to make some big plays with this. I can't wait to see. So he's going to be definitely featured more on the videos. And guys, it's super hot out here in Arizona. It ain't no joke. It's nighttime and it's still like over 100 degrees. But yo, guys, for real, for real. Yes. Yo, let's actually pop the hood. Let's just see if there's actually like an air intake or something. Because that'd be crazy if it did, at least like the owner before you did that. Okay, little Boxer engine. Man, this is actually really clean, bro.
It is. That's
no, it looks like they detailed it really nice.
91 miles on it. 91,000 miles on it.
Oh, okay, that's not bad for 2013.
Oh, that's what I'm saying.
And a lot of them have just been abused and have so much miles, but now this is super clean. Look at the little K&N, bro. You're modded, full bolt-ons. I'm playing. Damn, bro. Now this is really clean. It won't look like this for that long. Gotta get the little intakes. At least to get that started. And then you got the headers. This sounded with headers, bro. It sounds so loud. I love when they have the long tube headers, and the short headers sound really good on this. But yeah, bro, super sick. All right, y'all, this is a wrap for this video. Big congrats to my boy Nick. I just wanted to make this video and document this because I'm really proud of my boy Nick. Got the pink slips to this FRS, and I can't wait to see what he does to it back in the car game. Yes, sir, bro. I can't wait to see you. You better not sleep on it. I know you ain't gonna sleep though. I know. Yeah, guys, you're gonna be seeing a whole bunch of Nick in the videos, and we're gonna be doing all the mods. I'm gonna hook up Nick with my mechanic in the shop, and he can just be doing all the mods out there because, guys, we live in Arizona, and as you guys can see, we are sweating our ass off. So we gotta wrap up this video, guys. You guys know what it is. We out here. Peace.